we are about to do a segment called Random, Sometimes Crazy Questions with the Animal Sisters. So thank you for joining us, and here we go. Just 10 kind of quick rapid fire questions.
Okay guys, so this weekly shout out goes to Void. They are amazing, cool, awesome. They make live videos every single day, so make sure to go join their live streams. And here are some of their other socials up here, like their Discord, Twitter. Make sure to subscribe to their YouTube channel, turn on all post notifications. Let me do that right now. And just make sure you hop on their streams and get them to 1K. And if you go to one of my videos, you see, oh, Void's channel's linked down there. Well, why is it linked down below in the description on your videos? It's because he joined our channel and did Animal Army Level 3. If you do Animal Army Level 3, you get all the perks from Level 1, 2, and you get the extra perk, which is shoutouts and videos, and it's just so cool, guys, that you can be able to join the channel and get, you know, leaks about our videos and stuff. So if you want to do it. You're not required to do it, just letting you guys know about it. And if you're wondering, how can I get the weekly shoutout? So what you need to do is you need to make sure to subscribe to our channel, turn on all post notifications, and make sure to like at least 5 of our videos. Once you've done that, you need to join our Discord, and how you do that is you go to our latest video. It might be this one, or it might be any video that you're watching that's the latest video. You go to show more, then you scroll down until you say join our Discord here. You click that link, then your Discord app will pop up if you still have Discord open. Then you click join Animal Sisters Discord server, and then you just hit I'll just look around for now, and then you need to verify yourself. How you do that is you go to the verified channel, click the check mark or the verify mark, and then all the channels will pop up. And then to let me know that you did all the steps, go to the Shoutouts channel and then type I followed all the steps.
All right, Animal Sisters. If you had a time machine, where would you go and why?
I want to go back to like when it was like country times and like there's no pollution, because
Oh, the Wild West?
yeah, that kind of.
I would go to when my dad was younger and when he was really good at soccer, so I could cheer him on at the bleachers, and he wouldn't know that was his future daughter, and that'd just be super cool to see your parents when they're your age, so I would do that.
How weird would that be if I was running down the field like I used to, because I played forward, and I hear, "Go, Dad!" And I'm only like 17 years old. Like, what? Anyway, that's
That'd
great.
be kind of weird.
Thank you. All right, question 2. If you could have a superpower, what would it be?
Telekinesis.
Telekinesis, okay.
I always think of invisibility or telekinesis. I can't choose because sometimes you just want to be invisible and then like listen to other people's conversations without them seeing you or knowing you're there, or you could escape without anyone knowing you're there. But telekinesis, you can like make things fly or make yourself fly, I guess.
Make people think there's a ghost.
Yeah.
Like, you know, if someone, like, you can sneak on someone's conversation, but like, and then if they think they see you, and then you like use your telekinesis to move something behind them, and then they turn around and they think that, like, yeah.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay. All right. Well, you all know that I love pizza.
And I gotta say, as the Animal Sisters know, Dad loves pizza. Pizza, for better or for worse, is a health food. I mean, not really. Read the disclaimer, I know it's not. But if it's a good day, you have pizza. If it's a bad day, you have pizza. Whatever kind of day it is, pizza is always a good part. So it's a big part of my diet. I love it.
So, if you could put anything on top of a pizza, what would you pick?
I should know.
What?
What?
Pepperoni.
This is a controversial one of what I would put. I would put pineapples because I really like pineapples on my pizza, even though a lot of people don't. And then I would put, what's that glaze that you put? The
Balsamic?
Yeah, the balsamic glaze. Oh, that's so good. And then I put like little meats, olives, and everything. Anything you can imagine, I put it on a pizza.
And just for some of you at home, in case you don't know this, sometimes what we used to do, I used to get these kind of higher end pizzas when they were on sale, frozen pizzas, and then we would customize them at home. And that was one of the things that we would do was take some balsamic glaze. We'd cut up some cilantro and cherry tomatoes, and then put it on there, and then a little bit balsamic glaze with balsamic vinaigrette mixed together, and then we would drizzle it all over, and it was awesome. So anyway, okay, since we're on food right now, Ashley, when it comes to your mind, what's your favorite dessert?
Ice cream.
What?
Carousels, I mean, ice cream and carousels.
Ice cream and carousels. And what is carousels for those that don't know what that is?
It's like soft serve ice cream, but it's like also...
It's
like,
a soft serve ice serve.
Yes.
Yes.
I would
Alright.
say the same. Carousels, if you don't know what that is, as we said, it's soft serve icery.
But so good.
And you can
So
check
good.
that out in the link down below. We'll make sure you have that out. You got to check them out. And if your parents are looking for an awesome franchise, that's a great company. And by the way, we're not being sponsored by Carousels. We just love them, and we love to give shout outs to the people and products we love. We talked about dessert. We talked about pizza. All right. Oh, here's a fun one. Remember back when the videos were real popular of, you know, the parents or kids being parents for the day?
Oh, kids, no,
Yes.
parents saying yes for 24 hours.
Yeah. Well, here's something similar to that, but here's a question. If you got to be the parent for a day, what rules would you have?
I would say phone for 4 hours, and then go outside and play, and we're going to go to like the water park, and then the pet shop, and those are the rules every day.
Okay.
Oh, that's your routine. I would say to, you know, don't go on bad websites on the internet,
Yeah.
you know. I would put parent controls, depending on their age, you know. And then I would discipline them well and not be like abusive or anything, but not too sweet at the same time. I would be like in the middle. So not too strict, but not too nice. Just in the middle, like a little cozy middle. And I would also have a bedtime, also depending on their age. It all depends on the kid's age, though. But that's what I would do.
Wow. Very responsible. Moving on. Would you rather be able to read people's minds or be invisible?
Be invisible.
Read people's mind, because then we could be a team. She's invisible, and then I read their mind. And then
Let's go.
Look at that. They're always a team. That's one of the things I love about the Animal Sisters. They are a team. Good example of what teamwork is. Okay. Would you rather go to outer space or dive to the deepest part of the ocean?
dive to the deep. Wait. We could go to space.
You'd like to go to space?
Space.
Yeah, space.
I would
Okay.
say space.
Oh, all right. Well, here's another question then. Are you going to space with Jeff Bezos from Amazon or Richard Branson from Virgin Atlantic?
I don't know who any of those are.
Then pick one then. Richard or Jeff?
Jeff.
Jeff.
Jeff. Okay, you know why? Because Amazon. They know Amazon. All right. Okay. Would you rather be a camel or a penguin?
Camel.
Yeah, camel.
Camel. Why?
Because it's like, I just like,
They're tall.
I can
They're-
run fast too, and I can survive without water for a long time.
Yeah.
But with penguin, they just like walk. So
And they live like in the Arctic, and I don't really like cold weather.
I do.
I thought you were going to say because camels can spit.
Oh yeah, that too.
Just kidding. All right. And for those of you that don't know, we have a husky, Prince, the majestic husky, who has his own channel and social media. So check him out. But girls, if Prince could talk, what do you think he would say?
He would say, "Hey, I want to go out to the porch and stay there forever," because we have a little balcony, but we call it the porch upstairs in our house. And he likes to go out there because we have like little grass on it because, you know,
Synthetic grass.
yes, fake grass. And he likes to hang out there because sometimes it's windy and he likes to sniff the air.
Sick.
And he stays there like forever.
And he gets to see all the neighbors walk by.
Yeah,
Dogs.
with dogs, yeah.
I was just about to say a cat.
So actually, what do you think Prince would say?
I would say, like, you know, like when Prince tries to jump on you or bite on you, or bite you. I would say, like,
But
he's
play
like-
biting.
yeah,
It's
play
not
biting.
violent, guys. It's not violent.
And then like someone said, stop, don't bite, and then the Prince would say, I don't care, I can do what I want.
But he only does that to family members. He doesn't do that to guests or anything.
He
He's kinda
doesn't
scared.
bite. He doesn't. I would say he's like, I just want to play with you. I just want to play with you. Show me attention. Show me attention.
Yeah.
That's what Prince is saying.
He's
Show
kind
me
of
attention.
scared of guests.
Look at me. I'm so handsome. I'm your prince. Show me attention. All right, well, there you go, folks. That was 10 questions. Wild, crazy, off the cuff, hanging out with the Animal Sisters. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you later.
Bye.